So children, come to page number 73 of your honeysuckle. We will discuss the answers today. Peter's question number A, answer the following questions. Peter's favorite day of the week is Sunday because. So here we have to write, remember all these answers must be written very short, briefly. Okay. So Peter's favorite day of the week is Sunday because you have to mention like this, on every second Sunday of month, or better to write, on the second Sunday of every month, the whole family used to go to the cinema hall and spend some happy time staying together. So you can write like this way. It is, as these answers are very easy, so I want you children to write, but still then I am helping you. You can write like this. Peter's favorite day of the week is Sunday because on the second Sunday of every month, the whole family go to the cinema hall and spend some happy time together, staying together, or spend some quality time staying together. This one also you can write. Number 2, Nasir wants to learn. Nasir wants to learn what? Hey Shirshendu, why sir, please write it on the board. What sort of answer is this one that I have to write it on the board and you cannot just follow what I am saying in the class? It is very easy. Nobody else is complaining like this that sir, kindly write it on the board. You are grown up enough, mature enough, and moreover you are having the, you are having the opportunity that you can just see the video once more. You are having this opportunity. So why sir repeat it? Why to write it on the board? So the next one, Nasir wants to learn how to collect and preserve cotton seeds so that he can save his father's hard-earned money. You can write like this. Nasir wants to learn how to collect and preserve cotton seeds so that he can save his father's hard-earned money. Here it is written, I want to learn how to preserve seeds so that we can use them again and not spend money every year. So I have just shortened it, and he can preserve the seed only when he will collect. So that's why we have to write like this, that Nasir wants to learn how to collect and preserve the cotton seeds so that he can save his father's hard-earned money. Number 3, Dolma believes that she can make a good prime minister because she can solve others' problems easily and she can complete all the responsibilities with total perfection. I repeat, Dolma believes that she can make a good prime minister because she can solve others' problems and she can complete all the responsibilities with total perfection. If you are having still any doubt, you can ask me. I will repeat. But I don't think that these things are such doubtful or these things are so hard that you cannot write without my help. Rather, I have asked you to complete, and it's the time for you to check it. Now, Shirshendu is the first one to write no, sir. Tori Monik, sir, please repeat number 3. Why? It's very easy. You can write it on your own. Still then, I am giving you some ideas how you can write. It is not mandatory that you have to write the answers what I am saying. You can write something on your own, but it must be matching with this information what is given in the book. Only this much. Still then when you have asked, I am repeating, Dolma believes that she can make a good Prime Minister because she can solve others' problems and she can also complete all the responsibilities with perfection, with total perfection. Now Kinjal, if one starts then the others will also start. Now Kinjal has asked us, please repeat number 1. Okay. Peter's favorite day of the week is Sunday because on second Sunday of every month, the whole family used to go to the cinema hall and spend some quality time or spend some happy time outside. This one also you can write. Spend some happy time or quality time outside. I think it's okay now. Let me come to the next one. Exercise number B. Write true or false. This video will be uploaded in the YouTube and then from YouTube to ePortal. So you can play it and you can hear what answers I am saying. And today another video will be uploaded on the grammar, for the grammar one. That one also you will check. Now write true or false against each of the following statements. Peter is an only child. No, it is false because we have come to know that my 2 brothers and I. So apart from him, 2 more siblings he is having. Hey Joita, wait just better. My class is still not come to an end that you are writing now present. Don't write present now. When I will ask at that time, all the 10 children, those who are present, they are attending the class, they will write with their full name present. So the number 1 is false. Peter is an only child. False. Number 2, when Sharbajit gets angry, he shouts at people. No, he looks at his shoes and he counts 10. So it is also false. Okay. Nasir lives in the city. No, Nasir does not live in a city. Nasir lives in a village. So this one is also false. Okay. Kinjal afterwards, not now. Not now. When I will ask at that time, you will write present. Not now. Number 4. Radha's mother enjoys doing things with her. Now this question is somewhat tricky because Radha's mother enjoys doing things with her. This enjoys, this is simple present tense, and what we have studied in simple present tense, the habitual fact, the normal activities. Now we don't know that whether every time, every day or every work Radha's mother used to enjoy the work or time with the daughter. It is not mentioned here. Here only the incident of one day has been mentioned. That one day Radha's mother, she climbed up the tree along with Radha and she enjoyed sitting over there eating raw mangoes and talking with the daughter. So it's not the matter of every day. So how can we write it is true? Again we cannot write it false because at least it has happened once. So then if we write false, then it is technically wrong, and if we write true, then also it is technically wrong. So better you cross this question. No need of answering this one because this is quite tricky. Instead of this true and false, if it had been given in the form of question, we could have written that it is not that it is written in the book or it is written in the excerpt that every time, every day Radha's mother, she used to enjoy all the works with Radha. But it is the matter of a single day only on which Radha's mother climbed up the tree along with Radha and enjoyed the time with the daughter sitting on the branch of the mango tree and eating raw mangoes and talking with the daughter. Okay, children? So we have completed up to this part. Let's meet again another day with another part. So today you write down now present with your full name. Okay.